Jesse Mack Butler of Stillwater, Oklahoma, faced 70 years. I think it was actually over 70 years for assaulting two teenage girls, strangling them, almost deleted one of them. There might have been a third one, but we're not sure about that. But he would date these girls and then strangle them and laugh about it as he was doing it. But he faced 70 years and walked out with probation. Had 11 counts, felony accounts against him. I mean, it was all kinds of stuff. Rape, attempted rape, rape by instrumentation, assault, all kinds of these charges. He got probation under the Oklahoma Youthful Offender Act. Now, he's supposed to be on probation until he's 19. He was handed this sentence when he was 18. He's got to do 100 hours of community service, daily check-ins, therapy classes, and just goes on with his life. I can't imagine what the victims and the victims' family and their friends and loved ones and everybody's going through. This is horrible. But there's a lot of people protesting it. And there's been all kinds of accusations that, you know, the father worked at OSU. He was like the operations director at the football team. And they said he used his influence, or maybe there was favoritism, whatever. But if you're in Oklahoma, man, I would be calling the governor, the representatives, everybody. In my 29 years in prison, I've seen people get decades for less. You guys think this is justice? You think there's some loophole that was found? I think he should have got the 70 years or whatever it was. But I think that judge needs to be disbarred. Susan something or other. I can't remember her last name. But everybody's protesting. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about it already. But I just want to bring awareness to those who don't know about it. Because this is justice gone wrong, man. Just think of what the families are going through. They said there was people calling the school because apparently this Butler guy gets to go back to school or something. I'm not sure. I thought 18 he would have graduated by now. But they're demanding that he don't be allowed in the school, and they're protesting and all kinds. I think it's Payne County, Oklahoma. But I would like to hear you guys' comments, what you think about this. Did he get the right amount? Was probation right for him, or should he get the 70 years? And subscribe for more, man, because I think he has a court date. December 8th is his next court date. Man, that guy has got to do some time. One of the teenage girls was in court telling him, the court and him, she was mainly talking to him, says, you traumatized me. I'm afraid to date anybody anymore. I'm scared all the time. I have dreams, I have nightmares. And the thing that gets me is, as he was strangling them, you know, he would try to have intercourse with them, and when they refused, he would strangle them until they passed out, and then he'd do his deed. I just think that he should have got a lot of time. You know, even in Missouri, the Chomos, even though they don't get much time, they get time. Now, I'm sure there's some of them that's got off scot-free, but I've never seen anything like this, people. he had 11 felony accounts. That's what he was charged with. And he gets probation because he was 17 when he committed the crimes. I just can't wrap my head around it. You know, I was 17 when I took a guy's life because he was abusing my little brother. I ended up with a life sentence. And that was me just trying to protect my brother. And this guy is going around attacking girls in this school that he's dating or trying to date or whatever, and he gets probation. Sickening. Anyway, that's all I got for you. Give me your thoughts. Tell me what you think. And if you're in Oklahoma, please get a hold of your representatives, make phone calls. Let's get these. I guess you don't even have to be in Oklahoma. You can be anywhere and still call the governors of that state and representatives. But we need it. This family needs justice, people, especially the victims. You know, of this guy. So let me know what you think, and I'll thank you for watching.